All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Dini जोङो AI सिनायथि होगोन. I'll introduce you what is AI. Very short period, maybe 10 minutes or so. गुसुं बे भिडिअ गुसुं जागोन गोलाव जानाय नङा because it is just an introductory session on AI, artificial intelligence. So AI खौ जों मानो सोलोंनांगौ? माइक्रसफ्टनि बिल गेट्सआ बुंदों फैगौ 10 इयार्सनि गेजेराव 10 बोसोरनि गेजेरावनो मोननै जबा गोमालांगोन बुंदों मोनसेया जाहैदों डक्टर आरो मोनसेया जाहैदों टिचिं डक्टर बेनिफ्राय टिचारफोरनि जबा नेक्स्ट 10 इयार्सआव लासैनो गोमोरलांगोन होननानै बुंदों 100% गोमोरनाय नङा नाथाय बांसिनानो गोमोरलांगोन because all these jobs will be replaced by AI. AI आनो बे जबफोरखौ रिप्लेस खालामगोन. Alright, so we should learn AI today. Okay, so दिनै आं नोंथांनो मोनसे AI मेशिन बानायनानै देखायगोन. I'll be using one algorithm. AI आव गोबां algorithm दङ. बेनि गेजेराव आं मोनसे algorithm K means होनो बे algorithmखौ K means होनो. It's a clustering algorithm. Clustering माने groupism. Let's say I have 10 different kinds of flowers. दस्रा गाबनि flower दङ. होमबा बे flowerखौ मारै grouping खालामनांगौ AI easily बानायनो हायो. Naturally, it will identify and group the flowers based on colors without any human intervention. That is the beauty of AI. So दिनै आं बेखौनो मेशिन बानायनानै demonstration होगोन. I'll be using Python programming language. Python is मोनसे easy language. नोंथाङाबो सोलोंनो हागोन. Maybe it should not take more than 20-25 days to learn Python. नोंथाङाबो Python सोलोंनो हागोन. Easily सोलोंनो हायो. Okay. So we'll build from scratch, from start to the end. I'll take one example. I have picked up one example like Kachari King ni जोंहा Kashpuraव मोनसे palace दङ. I have picked up that particular palace picture you can see on the screen. बे palace picture को मोनसे building दङ बेखौनो आं बे picture को लानानै बेखौ आं I will group the colors which are found in this particular picture. Then we'll repaint this particular building. Very interesting. You'll see how the AI will repaint the building and finally माबायदि नुगोन बे building को. You can imagine now, but you'll see it today. I'll use very simple algorithm, very simple programming. Hardly it will take 10 minutes. All right. So let us get going. Let us get going. All right, guys, this is the Python program that we are going to use to build the AI machine. बेनो मोनसे Python program बे Python program जोंनो जोङो AI machine खौ बानायनाय जागोन. All right. First step is we need to import Python libraries. This is the first step. We'll run it. Okay. So we have imported. Second step is जोंहा मोनसे picture दंना Kachari Palace ni picture that we have to load. This is the second step. Now it is loaded. माखासे technical terminology steps दङ आं दिनै सावरायला. Okay, I'll move on. Then we'll see what is that file that you have loaded. See, this is the file we have loaded. बे फाइलखौनो जोङो process खालामगोन. बे इमेजखौनो जोङो repaint खालामगोन. AI will repaint this particular image. All right. So again, some technical terms. Number step 3. This is very important. जोङो AI machine बानायनो थाखाय माखासे AI library, Python library नांगौ. Okay, we are importing those libraries from scikit-learn AI library. बेयो मोनसे platform, Python library platform जेराव जोङो AI library फोरखौ मोननो हायो. Okay, so we are importing in this particular step those libraries which are required, including the algorithm. This algorithm we are using, right? K means is a clustering algorithm that we are using in this particular program to build the AI machine. Clustering algorithm. Okay, clustering means grouping. We are going to group the colors of this particular image. Besibang color dungo, mama color dungo be image. How that is the first step. We are going to cluster, group kalangan, grouping the colors of this particular image. All right. So this is we have done. Okay. Next, again, technical terms, X equal to data. X equal to data copy. This is basically data causing a X variable or copy column and okay. All right, we'll move on. Then this is again technical terms, technical, very technical. Okay, fourth step. We step on a last step to build the machine. After that, we are going to use the machine. Okay, we need AI machine ko बनाएंगे. Okay, how? Be AI machine a मुझे input लाइए information. Okay, it is asking us बेसेबां cluster नांगौ, बेसेबां group नांगौ, माने बेसेबां color नांगौ. बे नैबे image निफ्राय बेसेबां color नांगौ सोंदों नैबावनै. Okay. Here you see K is basically cluster. Cluster means size of the cluster, size of the group. Ma biswang group na gusto. I'm giving here, I give me six colors. Six colors from the image. Ang do color nango be image ni pray. So now AI will pick up those six colors from the image. Okay. Here we are building the model. Okay, with color equal to 6, cluster equal to 6. Here basically it's like a training here. Okay, training, fitting, everything. Okay, so X is what? X is our input file, our image. Okay, we'll run it. It will take some time. Gawang data dong na. It will take little time to get trained to process the data input. So may silagan. It is taking time. All right. So once it is done, we can use the machine. Okay. Okay. All right. Now machine is trained. It has processed the input file. Via image ko process kalamna nai bhai. Okay. Color ko dihun nani nai bhai. Okay. Now it is ready to use. Now let us see. This is technical terms. I'll not talk about this. Okay. This is again technical. Now this is again technical. All right. Now these are the colors. Big color for ko AI machine up. Picture ni price haikonan labai. Okay. There are six colors, right? One, two, three, four, five, and six. All these are one color. Okay. One color. Again, this is technical term. I'll not explain. Okay. Now we'll see those colors. Wait for color from six colors in the these are the six colors picked up by the AI machine from that image. We six color command in the image right? We would say color, we will color. This is like green, like grass color. Okay, these are the colors, six colors picked up by the AI machine from the image. All right, automatically it has picked up those six colors. All right, now let's see. This is original picture. This is the original picture. Then again, I'll print the spotted colors. These are the spotted colors. Now, corresponding to two spotted colors, I will explain little bit here. Digital world of computer or color ko mantam information store column. There are many ways, okay? This is one of the ways. RGB, red, green, blue, maybe red, maybe green, maybe blue. Combination of these three color will give another color, beautiful color, okay? All right, now step 5 one is in the last step. Now we are going to use the machine, okay? Painting column na ye, jengga bhai machine ko Step 5 out, we are going to repaint the image. You'll just paint it as it is without changing anything. This is the original. Nothing is changed here, right? Now I'm going to use that information which is given to us by the AI machine. Now look at this grass. Grass is not that green, right? Iswang mani green one of ye. I'll change this. I will improve the color of this green grass. Right. So I have already coded. Now we are going to change the color of the green grass. Okay. Now run it. We'll see different. See, the color of the grass is now very very distinct, right? Katang sin no sin mena. Okay. Likewise, now I will paint one by one. Okay. Now see what you'll see. You'll see something like this. Okay. Again, I'll paint again. Okay. Now I'm seeing like this. Then I'll remove this. I'm painting again. I'm asking to paint the machine. Okay, now you see this. Okay, now we'll paint again. Finally, you get this a beautiful color, black and white. But the grass and trees are green. Grass pra gathang, bigidi pipang pra gathang. Only the building has become black and white, very distinct white patches, beautiful original color. This is the original one. This is the original one. Now, AI amount the paint kalam din may din. This is painted by AI beautifully done. Okay, this is one example. Likewise, we can paint. We can paint this way. See, it's like 100 years new now. Like Mawajinugan, Bewati Sanganar. It's like almost building a Google in say Kaila, baby. Likewise, we can paint. See, little red, like early evening, morning time ni sunrise, sunset, very color. Then we can paint many ways. See, like cream color, we can paint. Okay, this looks beautiful. Sober color. So, but the grass is always green. Okay. Nagtamo na no ba AI jeng be paint ko very easily how we can do that. Okay. Yeah, gabang ka facility tungo. This is just one example. Dinini discussion na boundary jabna ni sampai demonstration na jobai. नोंथाङा जुदि बे भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनदोंबा comment sectionआव लिरनानै हरदो. Okay, and if you have any suggestions for the future videos and comments, please let me know. Write it in the comment sections. So I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.